The 2025 Tucson offers a range of powertrains to suit various driving preferences. Gasoline engine, a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine producing 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai.com Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a total of 231 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. Hyundai.com Plug-in Hybrid (PHEV) features a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with a more powerful electric motor, resulting in a combined output of 268 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. All models come with front-wheel drive, FWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD options, and offer a towing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds when properly equipped. Interior and technology. The Tucson's interior has been redesigned for a more modern and user-friendly experience. Infotainment system. Standard 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital instrument cluster. Available 12.3-inch digital display for a seamless tech experience. Center console. Redesigned with a column-mounted gear selector, physical climate controls, and a wireless smartphone charger. Comfort features. Available ventilated seats and a panoramic curved display enhance comfort and aesthetics. Safety and driver assistance. Hyundai has equipped the 2025 Tucson with a comprehensive suite of safety features. Forward attention. Warning. Monitors driver alertness to prevent accidents. Smart cruise control can safely bring the vehicle to a stop if the driver is unresponsive. Hyundai.com Advanced driver assistance systems includes blind spot collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and forward collision avoidance. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Tucson is available in various trims and powertrains. Gasoline models, starting at approximately $29,750 USD. Hybrid models, starting at around $34,510 US. Motor Trend plug-in hybrid models, starting at about $40,775 US. Availability may vary by region, with hybrid models expected to arrive at dealerships before the end of summer. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson stands out with its blend of performance, technology, and safety features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile compact SUV.